get into today's video. So today's video was going to be my Bath and Body Works unboxing, me talking about how some of my favorite items are now on the retired scent list, and me venting about that because I am highly upset because I really rarely ever, get to order off Bath and Body Works or even go into the store. So it's like now I can't even go into the store to get these items and I have to order them offline. So that's number one. I'm highly upset about that. But just about everything that I ordered, because I'm a Bath and Body Works OG. My mother, she used to work for them, a couple of their stores. She was district manager over a couple of stores, like way back in the day. So I've always been like a Bath and Body Works fan. So I'm an OG Bath and Body Works fan. Like, I'm not new to this, I'm true to this, okay? So what I got, and I also got my husband some stuff, but he has been using his things and they're tucked away somewhere. But I did get him the ocean scent and fresh water, and I got him two the colognes to go with it, the body butter and the shower gel. So this is one of my favorite scents, and it's French lavender and honey. Like, it smells so good, like really good. And this is a retired scent as well. So I got the perfume. The cap is not on it because I have been using it. And this is not a sponsored like video by Bath and Body Works or anything. It's just like I wanted to vent about how my favorite things are going to be retired, or like I can, and I'm not sure. My mother said that retired scents they bring back for the semi-annual sale, but I'm not sure. But either way it goes is I have to wait, on certain sales to get these items, and they're not going to be in stores basically. And I got the shower gel to go with it. So basically everything that I ordered, I just got the body butter to go with it, the shower gel and the spray. The only one that I did not get the shower gel to go with is the country apple, and I think that's because it either wasn't available or I just forgot to order it. Not sure. I was kind of upset about that when I figured it out a couple days ago, and my children are like all over the place. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear them in the back of the video.
I can hear y'all talking to mommy.
Yeah, the struggles of a mommy blogger. So the next items that I got were the brown sugar and fig. This is the OG scent. Like, if you know, then you know. And I was just gonna make this a video about, my Bath and Body Works items that I've gotten, but I have a lot of new information to give out, but I'm not going to give that out in this video. But I have received a lot of packages over the past couple days, so this is just going to be like an unboxing video of everything that I've gotten. So the next things that I got were the country apple. Love this, okay? But I think my favorite right now is the pearberry, and my husband absolutely loves this one. Like, he absolutely loves this, and it's like this is the only thing I really been using out of like my order, because this is the only thing that he really, I mean, he likes all of them, but this is like by far his favorite that he likes to smell on me. So I've been having to put that away so that I don't use all of that at one time. The last scent that I got is Beautiful Day, and this is one of my favorites. I think this is a newer one, not sure, but these are all like right now my favorite scents. So if you guys want something that smells good, I would suggest those. So that was my first package. The next thing that I got was this hair growth oil from Collective Coils. I should have made this video a little bit sooner, but I was waiting on one last package. That's why I didn't make the video. But their pre-sale ends today, so yeah, if you did get on, like, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure they're going to be having another pre-sale because this is something that she is testing out, and it's a product that's going to be out pretty soon. Or I can't really say pretty soon because it's already out, but as far as taking open orders right now, it's just let's see how this goes, and you know what all I can fulfill right now, or just not trying to be overwhelmed, you know. And I understand that being a business that just now starts out, but you have a big following, it's kind of hard to pace yourself and not get so overwhelmed. So I commend her for that, just taking pre-sales and pacing herself and not overworking herself as, you know, a small brand. So hair growth oil is 100% vegan and chemical free, and it's almond and castor hair growth oil. It's blended with rosemary, rosehip, and mint. So this is good stuff. This is quality. Like, if you want to grow your hair, I've been using this because one of my hair growth goals for the year, because I am about like 3.5-4 inches from waist length, and I know it doesn't look like it, but shrinkage is a mug, okay? But I'm about 3.5 inches from waist length. So I'm going to be using this oil and keeping track of my hair growth process, because like I said, one of my hair growth goals is to retain length, or you know, for the year, and to be at waist length by the end of this year, the beginning of next year. So stay tuned. All right, so the next package that I got was from Thermal Haircare, and I got one of Thermal Haircare's hot heads. So I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like, and I got the comic print just because, you know, I like the way it looks. So this is what it looks like. You put this in a microwave and you use it on like your deep conditioning days, you know, if you're doing a hot oil treatment, deep conditioning. Also, they did send these little caps to go, you know, up under this. But you put this in the microwave, and it is, as they say, no cords, no fuss, for healthy, hydrated hair. And it is filled with flax seeds. So none of, you know, any of that funky chemical stuff that, you know, you put in the microwave and it gets all squishy and stuff. Like, no, none of that. All of this is 100% you know, natural, no toxins or anything like that. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using this on my deep condition days. So that is another package that I received. And then the last package that I was waiting on was this. I got from Uncle Funky's daughter, and what came in here was the ultimate kinky and curly travel kit. So I have Midnight Train leave-in conditioner, super curl, miracle moisture cream, the curl forming cream, the curl stimulator, and the leave-in curl revitalizer. So yeah, this is what it looks like. And then I also got the Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. I'm probably gonna make another video in depth about this new box that I got from them. And the Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Revitalizer. And then the Good Hair Styling Cream. So yeah, it looks like, you know, FedEx was doing the most with my package, and kind of, you know, yeah. But it's okay though, it's okay. So yeah, that is it for this video. I'm probably gonna be having another package come pretty soon, but I'm going to make a video about all of the good news that I have, and you know, just a little bit more of life update, what's going on with me, my husband, our brand, our business, some of everything. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.